What's going on, you guys? You got Mike coming at you with Mike'sMoneyTips.com today. Coming at you with a quick way to show you how to possibly get some Udemy courses for free that you may want. I do reviews on my channel from time to time that shows courses, and I get people saying that I can't afford the $10, $12, $15, whatever for the courses. I do review, and the best thing for me to do is show y'all a way to get some of them for free. And if y'all don't like this, I'm sorry. I don't know what else to do besides give stuff away for free. I mean, I'm trying to add value here, that way y'all can get something for nothing, really. I mean, value is a beautiful thing. I know it's just perceived value. Like this one right here was a course for drop shipping. That was just something. This was a course. That one right there, I think that might have been. I know. But anyway, like this one right here, I know was. This one is. I do reviews every now and then, and that's fine. We all got to make a dollar somehow. So anyway, without further ado, let's get going. The first website I'm going to show you is called discudemy.com. And if I remember, I'll leave a description or a link in the description for each of these websites. That way y'all can find the website fairly easy. I actually got this from another guy today that I didn't know this was even out there, because I've actually bought courses on Udemy, and if I didn't know this, I'd have got all mine for free too. So it's, if it wasn't for Mark over at Not Taught at School, I'd have never known this. But it is what it is, and I'm trying to bring my subscribers the value that I got from him, because it's like I said, if I didn't know, I wouldn't be teaching y'all this. I didn't know this until today or yesterday. So anyway, what you do, you come down here and click on free English Udemy courses, because I'm in England, or English. I speak English and I'm in the US. Of course you can see there's all sorts of languages here that you can choose from, but of course I'm English, so, or I speak English. What you would do, you do what I just did. You click on it. It'll bring you here, and whatever it is that your niche is, or what you want to learn, or whatever, it's a way to learn without having to pay for it. I mean, like this right here, design and create your own ideal life, real life self coaching course. Don't ask, I don't know what it is. Brand builder blueprint right here. That's a ad though. I guess that's how they make theirs. Okay, makes sense. YouTube SEO Pro. I may need to do that since I don't rank that well, but maybe something I'll check into. Matter of fact, since what you would do, you click on it, and it'll bring up this page right here. Well, maybe. Let's see here. Will it come up now? Yeah, here we go. Now it's working. See, here it comes up. And what you would want to do here, once it comes all the way up, is come down here. Is right here where it says take course. You click on it. Now, if I'm not mistaken, no, it don't. Okay. Okay, so this would be your course coupon. I think what you do is, hold on, it ain't finished loading. Let's see what all comes up. Okay, that's another ad. Them are related courses. So what you would do here, I believe, is, hold on, what was this? Okay. Okay, so what you would do is copy this, I'm guessing. But you can't click there. Actually, let's try something. I think you can there. Open in new tab. That way we don't lose this page. And it'll probably take me to Udemy right here. And if so, I'll show you. Yeah, it's walking me through Udemy. So, see, it was $199. Now it's free. All you gotta do is click on enroll. Of course, I'm already signed in to Udemy, but it's an hour and a half worth of video, 1 article, 3. Hold on. I may have to go back to read what all was included. But anyway, enroll now. See, now I'm enrolled in the course. Because whenever you're actually in the course, let's see, which one is it? I think it's this button. Maybe. Didn't go where I wanted it to go. Okay, back up. That's where I wanted on my courses. See if it'll come up or if it's already too late. Yeah, well, it'll come up here in a second. Let me show you. Because honestly, I've never finished a complete course on here because I get bored. So, see here, it shows these little lines. See here, I don't have a line started. These I've already got started up here. You know, so that's how you use Disc. What was that? Udemy.com. So like I said, if I remember right, fellas, I'll leave y'all a description in the bottom, or leave y'all a link in the bottom to these websites. I've got 3 of them to show it to you. So let's go to the next one. Lordy. This thing takes forever, don't it, fellas? I need a new computer. But, you know, we'll get there. This right here is another website. It's Musera. And now whenever I seen the video this morning or yesterday, whenever, Mark said it was Udemy coupon.musera.org. Let me try that. Just see what happens if I type that in right there. Here, I can do that. Yeah, you guys, as you can see here, it's kind of like the other one. You see, that's the YouTube one I done a while ago. This is Facebook, Facebook, Quora, influence content. As you see, there's a lot of others on here. And then the last one where you can get free ones is over here on, and let it come up and I'll show you. It's Guru 99. It's other free website that you can get information. As y'all know, I'm in the make money online business, so you know I'd go to digital marketing because that's pretty much where I play a lot. But you can see you got all sorts of stuff on there. This is what would come up when you click on this. It is what it is. You know, introduction to digital marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, online paid, and email and mobile app. So, you know, it's something to consider. I mean, it's all free information out there that you can learn all this. And there's a way to sign up for this where they send you an email every day for the ones that are coming in. Tell y'all what, I might just leave a link to Mark's video in the description because it does a better job at explaining all this than I do. And of course, you know, if you go on, go over here to Udemy, after y'all take these courses, you know, do these guys a favor. They're putting them out there for free for you to use. Go in and give them a review of their course. You know, what you would do here, you come in and let's go to one I've already started. Go to this affiliate marketing one. It'd be easier. I don't think all this other mess at the bottom is going to be there. That way I can show you where you go to give the review for the course. That way it helps these guys rank on Udemy. That way they can start charging for their course and making some money. I mean, you know, these guys are giving it to you for free. You really can't ask for much more than that. I mean, I don't know what else to do. You know, that's just like, you know, if y'all could help me out and give me a like and subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. That would help me a lot. Yeah, right here where it says leave rating, that's all you would do. Just click on there and write a quick rating about the course. I mean, it don't take any time to do it. I mean, you got to think about it. How long does it take? 2-3 minutes, and it helps them out a lot. But, you know, without further ado, remember I try to come out with videos 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Release them at 5:30 in the morning. Till the next one. Later.